Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove shortcut arrow icon in Windows 11. Copy link from description and paste it. Click download. Extract file. Extract to Windows directory. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Create new key under Explorer, named as Shell Icons. Right-click New, String Value. Named as 29. Type ccolan \windows \blank.ico, click OK. Close and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.